Ladies and gentlemen, U.S. Air welcomes you to Orlando. The local time is 12:05. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and keep the aisle clear until we are parked at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. You will then have plenty of time to check the overhead compartments for your personal belongings. Please use caution when opening the overhead compartments since articles tend to shift during flight. The use of wireless communication devices such as cell phones and PDAs is now permitted. However, all other electronic devices must remain turned off and stowed until we are parked at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. On behalf of U.S. Airways, and especially this flight crew, we'd like to thank you